Like every year around Diwali, Amazon and Flipkart are back with their mega festive sales in India. Both Amazon Great Indian Festival and the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale will begin on October 3. So if you have been planning of buying any gadget, then this could be the best time. Also, before buying anything, don't forget to check out no-cost EMI options and bank discounts on the devices. Now let's take a look at the top deals that you shouldn't miss. So first is the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, which is a premium phone. It comes with 6.5-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED display, a 32-megapixel front camera, 4500 mAh battery, and fast wireless and wired charging support. You can get it at just 36,999 instead of its original price of 50,999. Next up is the Google Pixel 4a, which is available at its lowest price ever. It comes with 6GB of RAM, 18-watt fast charging support, 12.2 megapixel back camera, and an 8 megapixel front camera. You can buy it at 25,999 instead of its original price of 31,999. Besides phones, OnePlus Buds can also be purchased at a discounted price. It comes with 30 hours of battery life, environmental noise cancellation, and bass boost. You can get it at 3,999 instead of its actual cost of 4,990 on Flipkart. Another great deal is on the Mi Smart Band 5 that gets a touch AMOLED display, 14 days of battery life, and 11 professional sports mode. It is available at just 2,499 instead of its actual cost of 2,999 on Amazon. Further, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 10th Gen is also available on discount. You can get it at 36,990 instead of 39,990. Lastly, the iPhone SE 2020 is also available for a great deal. It gets an A13 Bionic chipset, 12 megapixel rear camera, wireless charging support, and 64GB 128GB of storage options. You can get it at just 25,999 instead of 39,900. Now there are a ton of other deals as well that you can check out on Flipkart and Amazon's official website. Now do share this video with others and keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.